Well, howdy, friends. Didn't see you there. So, today is a big day for Amelia because she is getting a brand new awning. Well, brand new to us. Ooh. And all new camp lights. So, taking this guy off, and then this is then going on that. As soon as I find the brackets for that. But today, Amelia's getting a massive camp upgrade, so stay tuned. Come on, shovel. There we go. There we go. One of the more awkward positions in which I've turned a wrench, if I'm honest. Oh, balls. Yep, there we go. Got it. What you stuck on. Well, I know this rack is bent, but come on now. There we go. So, I don't know if the new one has bolts. So I'm gonna go ahead and reuse these, I think. To quote great Derek, help me understand. You are very annoying. Well, Troy, how we doing?
We're doing good.
Hell yeah.
Now little weekend project.
We love to see it. It's gonna be so nice. Okay.
What about anything?
No.
Maybe spin around like. There we go. Yeah. Alright, you want me to go hard? Do anything?
One more. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's working. Done. Straight.
Done.
How does the other side look? Straight?
Not as good.
Good. But that's a straight up.
Might want to see it. We probably need more if you look at it. It needs to go a little farther.
Yeah, it does.
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay. You all right? How's that look?
Still got it.
Still got that kink. Bitchin'. I never expected that to be straight again. Well, it would appear that the weather is about to get not good, so we're knocking this out as quick as possible. Absolutely nailed it, A-Bud. Killing it. Boom.
A little more. Okay, let's do it.
All right, get after it, bud. Hey, Jess, you're a legend.
No, thanks, Jess.
Yeah, thank you for existing. Oh my god. Hey, bud. All right.
Jess, we screwing you?
No, you good?
All right.
All right, get after it, bud. Needs a heater when you got a welder. You all right?
Yeah, just trying to hold my breath.
Oh, dude.
Oh. Oh no, I did that. That's all right. Right?
Oh, dude, that's dialed. Dialed. All right. Woo-hoo!
Go.
Bitchin'.
We're ready for insertion. Look at that.
Oh, dude, like it was meant to be.
Nice.
The Ugga Dugga is on the table. While I wait for said Ugga Dugga, I'm gonna do it by hand.
There you go.
Oh, there we go. That's how modern technology does things. 2 or 3 Ugga Duggas.
I mean, just until the split washer's compressed, I'd go pretty tight. You don't want
Yeah.
that thing coming off. Ah, there you go.
There it is. You.
Yeah, it's done raining now. Alright, now it's not raining. Let's ourselves.
Now it's done.
Well, now that my lovely fiance was actually able to get it unzipped, let's see how this goes. Never used one of these before in my life. Oh, things are falling. Okay. Oh boy. And it's red too. Holy. Oh my god.
Are you
That's
shitting
epic.
me?
That is so sick.
Oh my god.
How does it? Hang on. You might have to tie it
yeah.
off. Yeah. Do we have rope with us?
Mm.
Holy.
Wow, that is some square footage, dude.
Dude, that's gnarly. Oh, okay. That hits. Fine.
Well,
Yeah, so we just have to tie it off to this.